Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix OTG not working in Android phone. Let's see how to fix this problem. Following all steps, do not skip.